Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to construct perpendicular bisector. Okay, bisector to divide the segment into two equal parts. Okay, and we are going to learn how to construct perpendicular bisector. Now first what we will do, we'll learn how to construct perpendicular bisector of a segment. So first I will draw the segment without any measurements. You can see this is the segment. Okay, I'll give the name of this segment A and B. Okay, now I'll have to divide this segment into two equal parts. When I'll construct, okay, it will give perpendicular 90-degree angle. Okay, for that what I am going to do, I will take the compass. For the construction. This is the steel point of the compass. I'll put the steel point of the compass on point A. First I will keep the steel point of the compass on point A. Now this is the half of the segment. For perpendicular bisector will not take half, will take more than half of the segment. And will draw the arc above of the segment and below of the segment like this. Okay, now we will not change the distance, we'll keep the distance same and we'll keep it on point B Distance is same, only what we are going to do, whatever the arc we have drawn will intersect that arc. Okay, now when we'll intersect this arc, we'll be having 2 points, here one point and here the other one. Now we are going to join this. Okay, so this line is nothing but a perpendicular. Because it forms 90-degree angle and divide this segment AB into two equal parts. Now we will see whether it is really a equal part or not. Take the compass, or must be you are having divider. Put the one point here of the divider and the other here. Okay, fine. And without any disturbance, put this here. You will see the distance is same. Okay, so this is nothing but a perpendicular bisector of a segment. Okay.